Facebook ads is one of the most advertising platform, allowing businesses to reach high targeted audience with various ad format. Whether you are promoting an e-commerce store or digital product or a service, Facebook ads can help you to drive traffic, generate lead and increase sales. Running a Facebook ad is very easy, but be profitable from Facebook ads is quite difficult. That's why you have to gain experience on Facebook ads. But don't worry. In my YouTube channel, you will get all the step-by-step video in future. So for that, please do subscribe. And today I'm going to talk about the required checklist that you need to check before running your Facebook ad. So no more talks, let's get started. Number one in my list to set up Meta Business Manager. Yes, you need a Meta Business Manager account for running your ads. And of course, your Facebook page need to connect it with your Meta Business Manager account. And of course, you need to add and verify your ad account with this business manager. And number two in my list, which is tracking and analytics setup, which is very crucial part of running Facebook ads and getting profit from that. And of course, you can install Facebook page and conversion API for track your viewers. Configure Google Analytics to understand demographic view of your audience, which is more interesting part, and in future you can optimize your ads and you can reduce your and then set up event for specify your ads campaign. For example, purchase, add to cart, lead, etc. Voice is helpful for your ad campaign and you can easily run the conversion ad by using this specific powerful events. Number three in my list, which is define your campaign goal. This is required if you want to, like, in Facebook ads you will find different kind of Facebook ads are available on that. For example, awareness, and then consideration, traffic, engagement, video views, lead and message you will find on your consideration section. And then you will get the conversion campaign setup. So sales, add to cart, sign up, lead and so on you will find on the conversion section, which is the important part for getting your ad result. But you need to track all of that and you need to understand your goal and you need to set up your plan. Then my next list is ad creative. Of course, you need to prepare high quality image and video, engaging ad copy and CTA, and test different ad format like carousel, single image, video, slideshow, and so on. And optimize landing page for conversion, definitely. And then number five, budget and bidding strategy. You have to understand and you have to make sure about how many you need to pay for daily or lifetime budget. Then you have to select the bidding strategy like low cost, cost cap, like whatever you want. So if you don't know, then don't worry, stay tuned. In step by step I will show you how you can set up on that. So and then plan or A/B testing and optimize performance, you have to be sure about that. Okay. And the last list of my list is the payment method. Of course, you have to set up your payment method in your campaign, and of course you can pay through credit card or debit card or spending monthly limit. Just follow this checklist before running your ad, and stay tuned and subscribe my channel if you want to see my next video. And if you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.